What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable show fingerprint icon when screen is off in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on biometrics and then click on fingerprints. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and after that tap on show icon when screen is off option. Now if you want to enable show fingerprint icon when screen is off, then select on always on display. Now when you will lock your screen and open your always on display screen, it will show a fingerprint icon. So you can see this is the fingerprint icon. Now if you want to disable that fingerprint icon, then tap on this option again and from here select never. So when you will select never, there will be no fingerprint icon on always on display. So that's how you can enable or disable show fingerprint icon when screen is off in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.